Is there life on Mars? That question has fascinated scientists, dreamers, and storytellers for generations. Sounds like the plot of a sci-fi blockbuster, right? The kind of thing you'd see in a movie with aliens and adventure. But this isn't Hollywood, this is real. NASA's Perseverance rover is out there right now combing through Martian soil, and the clues it's picking up, they're making that age-old question a lot more interesting. Every day, Perseverance is turning science fiction into science fact. Okay, let's set the scene. Picture a cold, dusty world painted in shades of red and orange, with a history billions of years old. Perseverance launched back in 2020, blazing its way through space to land in Jezero crater. It was a journey of over 300 million miles, all for a chance to answer one of humanity's biggest mysteries. Why Jezero? Scientists think this crater was once home to a massive lake. Billions of years ago, water flowed here, carving channels and leaving behind clues in the rocks. And if Mars was ever alive, even with simple, microscopic life, this is exactly where we'd want to look. The sediments at the bottom of an ancient lake could hold secrets from a time when Mars was much more like Earth. Imagine a muddy, watery world billions of years ago, maybe even with tiny Martian microbes swimming around. It's wild to think that Mars might have once been a blue planet, teeming with the building blocks of life. Now what's Perseverance actually doing out there? It's on a mission to uncover Mars's deepest secrets, one rock at a time. It's not just rolling around taking pretty pictures. Perseverance is a scientist on wheels, focused on the details that matter most. This robot is packed with some of the most advanced science gear ever to leave Earth. Cameras, spectrometers, and even a mini helicopter named Ingenuity to scout the terrain. It's got lasers that zap rocks, sensors that sniff out chemicals, and even a drill to collect samples for a future trip back to Earth. Each tool is designed to search for signs of ancient life and to study the planet's geology in incredible detail. Here's where it gets wild. Perseverance has found complex carbon-based compounds in Martian rocks. These molecules are the same kinds of stuff that make up living things here on Earth. We're talking about the building blocks of life as we know it. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, ingredients that could, under the right conditions, spark something amazing. And there are these strange mineral patterns too, almost like fingerprints left behind by ancient water. Some rocks even show signs of having been altered by water, hinting at a time when Mars was much wetter than it is today. No fossilized Martian fish yet, but that's enough to make any space nerd's heart race. Every new discovery brings us closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone? So what does this all mean? Are these clues just a cosmic coincidence, or do they point to something more? Could Mars have once supported life? Maybe even for just a little while? The evidence is piling up, and it's more tantalizing than ever. If so, it's a game changer for how we see our place in the universe. It means life might not be unique to Earth, and that the cosmos could be full of surprises. Every new clue from Perseverance gets us one step closer to understanding if life is a rare fluke or if the cosmos might be teeming with it. Each sample, each photo, each reading is a piece of a much bigger puzzle. And hey, if Mars once had life, who's to say we can't make it habitable again? Maybe one day we'll see green plants and flowing water on the red planet. That's what gets me fired up about future missions. And maybe, just maybe, about humans setting foot on the crimson dust ourselves one day. Imagine the first footprints on Mars, the first crops grown, the first human home on another world. So, what do you think? Are we alone, or is Mars keeping secrets just under the surface? The adventure is just beginning, and your guess is as good as any scientist. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep exploring these mysteries together. Mars is whispering answers. The question is, are we ready to listen? The next big discovery could be just around the corner.